Ever had your power cable break or stop working right when you needed it most? Whether it's your PC, monitor, or printer, a faulty power cord can bring everything to a halt. What if you could fix that problem quickly and without spending a fortune on a new power supply? This power cable replacement is designed to get you back up and running, fast and hassle-free. I faced this exact issue when my husband accidentally stepped on the power cord for my HP Envy X360. The grounding piece on the plug snapped off, and I thought I'd have to replace the entire power supply. Luckily, a friend told me that all I really needed was a replacement power cable with the right connectors. This cable fit perfectly and worked just like the original. It connected securely to my device's power adapter and plugged right into the wall outlet, handling up to 10 amps and 1250 watts without a hitch. It was a relief to find an affordable, reliable fix that didn't compromise performance. This power cable features a standard grounded NEMA 5 to 15P plug on one end and an IEC 60320C13 connector on the other, making it compatible with most PCs, monitors, scanners, and printers. Simply connect the female C13 end to your device's male C14 port, then plug the NEMA end into any standard US-AC wall outlet, UPS, or power source. The cable is built to carry up to 125 volts safely, ensuring steady power delivery every time. If you're looking for a straightforward, dependable replacement that won't slow you down, this cable is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values quick, effective solutions without unnecessary expense, this power cable replacement fits the bill. Don't let a broken cord stop your work or entertainment. Try it when you're ready and experience the convenience of a seamless power connection that feels just like the original.